Hi, and welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to attach a PDF file in the body of an email using Outlook, step by step. This is a great way to share documents within your emails without just sending them as separate attachments. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of our helpful tutorials. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open your Outlook email and click on New Email to start composing. Once you're in the email window, click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Step 2. Now, click on the Attach File option and then choose Attach from PC. A file browser will open. From here, locate the PDF file you want to attach, select it, and click Open. Step 3. After you've done this, your PDF will appear within the body of the email, allowing recipients to view it directly. You can also add text around it, explaining the contents if necessary. And that's it. You've now successfully attached a PDF in the body of your Outlook email. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.